tea. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly wig related content here, so if that is something you're interested in, this is the right channel for you. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace so that you can see how I'm cutting the lace. Usually how I cut the lace is I like to hold it from the actual lace, and then you can see that the light will shine through there, and you can see that knots end. So I go ahead and just cut it right along the knots. So I have the lace inside facing me. And I just work my way down until the lace is cut. And then once you get it on, you may need to cut a little bit more to customize it to your hairline. But we're cutting everything off that's from the knots back, so the stuff that doesn't have anything on it.